Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. Alright, so there is a mod that I did not know you can do until a couple days ago. I feel like a couple people already know this mod, but for the people that don't know the mod, I want to show it to you. If you don't know, this is my 89 foxbody. I have a rear end over here that I'm putting together because I blew the rear end up on this one. All right, now there's multiple reasons on why you can blow a rear end. Not enough fluid, you're just driving it way too hard, or it just get too hot. And some of you people know I have a 1998 Mach 1 right here. It has 373 rear gears in there, and while I was doing the rear gears, I went ahead and put aluminum cover on the differential, and there it is right there. When I got it, it was on sale for $60. I couldn't beat it. That one is a Scotch Drake differential cover. I got it from LMR, Late Model Restoration. It was originally almost $200. Would I like to get one? Yes, but I just don't have $200 to spend on that particular part. It wasn't until a couple of days ago when I was looking up a YouTube channel, and I want to say their name is Junkyard Dogs. I'll put their name right here, but they actually told me that I can get a aluminum cover from the Junkyard off of a Explorer. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, you could put an aluminum cover on an 8.8, you can swap it out. What's the difference on this one? Yes, it's an aluminum diff cover, but you're gonna have to do a little bit of modification. This is what I mean. This right here came off of a 2006 Ford Explorer, and this had the 3-valve engine in it. It does not look like it would fit on there, right? Well, let me go ahead and show you. And I know it just looks very wonky on this solid axle rear end. I know this is for an IRS or an independent rear suspension rear end. I know it looks weird, but trust me on this one. So if you can tell, all the bolt holes line up with it. You don't have any problems there. It's got the cooling fans, so it should be able to help it cool down. The only thing that you would have to do is when you go to the junkyard, make sure you grab these bolts. The diff cover bolts that came off of the differential cover, you need to take these. As you can see, you see how thin the cover is on this, which is the stock 8.8 for the Mustang. You see how thick that is? Yeah, so make sure you grab the bolts, or you won't be able to put the differential cover on there. Now this next modification that you have to do to make it work is kind of up in the air for me, because you don't have to do it, but if you do it, it looks a whole lot better, okay? And it's pretty much cutting off the mounting points. The question is, should I go ahead and cut it off, or should I leave it and do some type of mounting support on there? A buddy of mine, he the one told me, hey, you can probably mount it up. It'll probably be usable for what I'm using it for. So what do you think? Should I do it or should I not do it? I don't know. Once I figure out what I want to do with the rear diff, I will do a more in-depth install with this diff cover. But until then, what should I do? Should I cut off the ears? Should I keep them on and make mounting points? What should I do? Let me know in the comments. As you can see, I'm still dealing with the rear end. I'm still trying to put it into the fox body, so I still got some time. The drift event, I'm gonna miss it anyway because it's on a Wednesday. It's gonna be the day that I'm working, so I can't take off to go do it. I will say that I have been working on a lot of stuff for you guys, okay? One thing that we did get done, and it's a huge thing, okay? I'll give you a hint. I'm not gonna tell you, but I'll give you a hint. Let's just say all this in the garage would be cleared out, so we're able to use this spot for something. So I'm gonna let you think. Is it another project car? Some type of shop space? YouTube studio? Just stay tuned and wait for that video, because like I said, it's gonna be a huge video. And I feel like we're gonna definitely grow the YouTube channel. And also I feel like it will also grow my business. So there's another hint for you guys. And also I got new shirt designs, so I'm working with that as well. Stay tuned because they are coming. It's either going to be next week or the week after that before I post them live. I understand this is a quick video. Like I said, I've been busy and I'm very sorry for the quick videos, but I am working. If you stayed this long in the video, thank you so much for watching it. Go ahead, check out this video right here. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.